All right, guys. So again, I'm not here today. So for reading today, it will be pretty straightforward. I know usually Mondays we have a whole vocabulary routine. We're not going to be doing that today, just because we'll try to make it a little bit easier. We're going to do a typical Tuesday today, and then tomorrow when I come back, we'll do our regular Monday routine with vocabulary and all of that good stuff. So today, main focus is getting started on your word work, getting started on our small groups, and knocking out as much of those things as we can. So hopefully we can get through our blue and orange groups today. So your substitute teacher is going to pass out your packets, so you've got those. Don't worry about like the first 4 pages of them, front and back. The first 2 pages, front and back. We'll cover those tomorrow. Don't worry about those right now. The very last page, page 6, put a single X through. You don't have to do page 6. Page 5 should be pretty straightforward. You can start that one today and get that one knocked out. If you want to work ahead, you can try. That's fine. But I'll cover the rest of those pages throughout the week. You do not have to worry about them, but you should be able to get page 5 done today if you have word work. So let's take a look at what our game plan is today for that. Here is page 5. These are your spelling words. Those should be passed out as well if they haven't been passed out. Make sure Calvin does at the end of the day. But your words are right here. You can tell we're working on the different endings, whether it's OR, AR, ER, how those different words end. Even though they sound so much similar, they do have different endings. So we do have our spelling words here: grocer, pepper, barber, grater, polar, tanker, singer, enter, odor, collar, zipper, powder, danger, cheddar, popular, harbor, anchor, elevator, daughter, victor. All right. Now, make sure you put those in. If Victor spells this one wrong, you can yell at him, but hopefully he gets these right. Make sure that we get all of these in here just to organize them. It should be super, super easy. If you get done with that, you can use your time wisely. Let's take a look at what your plan is today. This is our schedule. So we will start with blue group. We'll start with rotation 1. Hopefully we get through 2 rotations today, so make sure you listen carefully. So your first rotations, blue, you'll be doing teacher table with the substitute teacher. Orange, you guys are going to be reading to self. That's the one where you read to yourself and take AR tests. Azul, you guys can work on your iPad spelling. Put whatever you want on Spellboard, but stay on Spellboard. Green, you guys should be doing the page that I just talked about. If you want to work ahead, you can. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, try to figure it out on your own before you ask. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.